I don't think they're that bad. I mean, they are, the thread is not super good anymore, but I don't think they're worn uneven. Hi guys, once a year I take my Shelby GT350 out to the Ford dealership to have its annual service done. I don't drive it enough to do the service more than once a year, so this is what Ford wants. Once a year you take it in and get that service done. So that day's today. It's a beautiful day, a lot of traffic. I'll let you know when I'm there or when I'm done, and we'll go over if there was anything wrong with the car. I think everything will be good. The tires might not be the best, but I think they're even still good enough. So I'll go over it with you when I'm all done. And yeah, now I'm gonna focus on driving because it's a lot of traffic, a lot of early morning traffic around here.
You have arrived at your destination on the right.
Alright guys, and we are all done with the service at Ford. So how did the Shelby do? Let's look. Everything was good, he said, except for, what does it say there? MA44 tires mount and balance are low, and then FS02 alignment, four-wheel tire badly run down. Not sure what that means, four-wheel tire badly run down, but I will have a look at it. I don't think they're worn that uneven. I do know that the tire thread, look at him, the tire thread is getting low. That I do know, and I told him that, so I do know that I need new tires sometime rather soon than late, because I feel like when I drive that it's a little more squirrely than it used to be, and the colder temperatures don't help. So far so good. Everything else was good. I hope they did their job right. Let's go outside and look at the car. All right, after service I always like to check if everything looks good. There's no spills or forgot to put the oil dipstick in. No, looks good. Filter's good. I changed that last year. So engine wise, everything looks good, no scratches. Let's look at those tires that they sort of worn uneven. See, I don't think they're that bad. I mean, they are, the thread is not super good anymore, but I don't think they're worn uneven. Let's look at the rear one. There we go. Can you see it? Yeah, it's pretty worn, but again, it's not worn uneven. Look at this one here. It's about the same. It looks like it's a little bit better than the other one, but it might just be my eyes. Car is clean, but could be cleaner. The wheels need to be washed badly. I didn't do that. I usually wash the wheels by hand. The car too, but sometimes I go in a touchless wash and I wash the wheels by hand. See, there's the other tire, and yeah, it's about the same as the other one, so I don't think they are that worn. But I do need new tires, I know that, and there's a shortage on those Michelin tires, they told me. So if I want them to order them, I have to let them know in advance. All right, it's been a fun morning. I enjoy the car. Shelby's just a great car, makes you happy when you drive it, and I hope it made you happy to watch this video. Subscribe, push the like button, and I'll see you soon.